Well, hello, darling. And you know what? I'm so honored to be here and be asked to speak today and to help you celebrate your retirement. And I have to say I'm sorry that we have it this way, because I would rather be on the dance floor with you and dance a storm off. But anyway, that's the way it goes. And I just want to tell you how much Peppy and I loved you, and the memories we shared are unbelievable. I'm gonna write a book just about our memories, okay?
Jack has a real concern for people, certainly his patients, but just people in general. When you're with him, you're the most important person there, and he projects that very well, and it's sincere.
The key thing about Jack was he didn't have an ego involvement. If he could refer you to another physician or to another place where you could get better help, Jack did that right away. He never held a patient back simply because he wanted to control where the patient was going.
He didn't make an opinion, but he synthesized what you said. He had a mental Rolodex that he drew from in Denver or any place in the US as to where you could be best served.
You have always been a legend to me, Jack. Since I was a little boy, I remember your name being spoken with respect and almost reverence in our home. My parents, Moose and Ann Taylor, were kept in good health for many years as you came up to their house in the mountain to diagnose and treat their medical needs. You were the go-to guy whose phone number was kept close at hand.
Jack was just our doctor, and he treated me for various things. But he's always been there, you know. If you have a problem, you could call him up and he'd always answer the call.
Jack was very instrumental with getting doctors because he was friends with all of them in Denver and everywhere. And he really attracted a lot of people in the medical field to come here.
You know, everybody has a touch, and of all the doctors I've ever met, I think Jack had the softest touch. I think he became everybody's friend after anyone would meet Jack at medical treatment or just get to know him socially. I never met anybody that didn't have something nice to say about Jack.
You care tremendously about all patients. You care tremendously about the community. And I've also learned over the years that your love for the Vail Valley is just ungodly to even fathom how much you are loved and how much you're respected in the Vail community.
You know, Jack, with your medical practice, you've kept the shiny side up, and I've really appreciated that. But more so, I just appreciate your friendship and kindness, and look forward to being around with you many more years.
Having practiced medicine for many years here in Vail, one of the things that was really difficult to take care of were people who are having behavioral health issues. And with the new behavioral health approach to life here, we realized how many cases were missed, how many lives were lost, how many lives could have been enhanced, all because we just didn't have the resources or the expertise with the resources to make it happen.
And how lucky we are that Vail Health has taken the lead.
Oh, yes.
In really consolidating and bringing together all of these resources to help the community.
How many communities in the whole wide world really has this resource? I can't think of any. We are so lucky.